Parkinson's disease affects millions of people throughout the world every day. This affliction affects not only the people who are actually diagnosed with it, but also their family and friends. While research is being conducted every day into a possible cure, it is important to understand Parkinson's disease symptoms and how they affect the daily life of the individuals who live with this illness every day. 1. To understand Parkinson's disease, you must first have to have at least a minimal understanding of what the disease is and what it does to the human body. This is a chronic illness that takes place when the neurons or the brain cells begin to deteriorate. This results in an insufficient amount of dopamine to be produced. Dopamine controls muscle activity. The result is Parkinson's disease symptoms such as walking difficulties, coordination issues, and uncontrollable shaking. 2. Generally, Parkinson's affects one half of the body initially. The condition can then travel to the opposite side of the body. When this occurs, the patient essentially has no voluntary muscle control. The result is stiff muscles, poor balance and coordination, along with the possibility of tremors. 3. The muscle issues that are associated with Parkinson's disease symptoms can affect the face as well as the larger muscles of the body. As this disease progresses, you may notice that a Parkinson's patient is not able to show the same signs of emotion that they used to. This is because the muscles of the face are not as easily controlled. This lack of muscle coordination will lead to not being able to smile, swallow, or speak as they used to. 4. Other tasks that may seem mundane and ordinary all of a sudden become very difficult. Parkinson's disease symptoms also include the loss of fine motor skills. Writing, brushing teeth, and buttoning a shirt become almost impossible as the fingers begin to lose their flexibility and control. 5. Walking is, of course, another factor of daily life that can, and usually is, interrupted with the onset of Parkinson's disease. Because of the lack of muscle control, a foot may drag along as opposed to being raised during stepping. The ability to navigate through a narrow doorway or hallway becomes impaired as the lose of balance becomes an issue. 6. It is important to note that while these Parkinson's disease symptoms are common, not every patient will experience all of them. While some patients may only have an occasional balance issue, others will experience symptoms that run the gamut from the barely noticeable to the absolutely debilitating. 7. If you are caring for someone who has this issue and is experiencing Parkinson's disease symptoms, it is important to accompany them to their doctor's appointments. Ask questions, read up on this condition. The best thing that you can do for them is to arm yourself with the knowledge of what they may be experiencing. If you want to discover the truth about Parkinson's that pharmaceutical companies hope you won't find out about, click on the link in the description. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new. Thank you for watching this video.